going on, friends? It's Jonathan, and welcome back to, some hotness. In this video, we're gonna be taking a look at this. This is the Oculus Quest, and I'm sure by now you guys know exactly what this is, how it works, and everything about it. There's so many videos out there. This is not gonna surprise you. However, I got something a little bit special for you. We're gonna make the ultimate Quest setup. And this is my wife, Katie. You guys probably know her by now. She is a fan of VR. We've done a VR video in the past and her reaction was pretty incredible. So I think if we're gonna build the ultimate VR or Oculus Quest experience, she's gotta get involved because her reaction is gonna be pretty insane. Now, in order to do this, we have the Oculus Quest, which by the way, Qualcomm did provide me. This video isn't sponsored in any way, but they did provide me the unit. And we have the Subpac. Now what this is, it's a subwoofer that you wear on your back. I'm not gonna do a dedicated video on this. There's several, I'll link a few in the description, but this should create the ultimate immersive experience, especially with like gunfire, beats for Beat Saber, things like that. It's just gonna create like a surround sound effect. So yeah, I think it's about time we do this. Let's go ahead and put all this stuff together, get you rigged out, and let's do it. What makes the Oculus Quest special is the fact that it offers a cableless VR experience, giving you the ability to move around freely. Basically, you're only limited by your surroundings, which creates an incredibly immersive experience. All of this is possible due to the chip that's powering the Oculus Quest, which is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 835. For those of you that keep up with the latest and greatest smartphones, you should already know that the chip is very powerful and capable of playing some of the most demanding games in the Google Play Store at high resolution. To the people that don't know, the 835 is the same processor that powers phones like the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus, the Galaxy Note 8, Google Pixel 2, and the Google Pixel 2 XL, the OnePlus 5T, and even the Razer phone. Also, thanks to the great DAC on the 835, the onboard speakers on the Oculus Quest are really good. I just wanted to kick it up a notch. Before we continue, I do need to give a quick shout out to this video's sponsor. This video is sponsored by BitDefender. Recently, BitDefender launched their newly updated Total Security 2020 with several great new features. These features include a Windows and macOS anti-tracker browser extension to prevent and block a wide range of web trackers. The Windows version has a microphone monitor. It displays alerts whenever apps have access to the microphone, and you can assign or block the access entirely. BitDefender 2020 on iOS now has a powerful web shield which detects and blocks access to phishing, malware, and other potential website threats. As a thank you to all of my viewers and as a token of BitDefender's appreciation, there's a link in the description that you can use to get a free 90-day trial.
Game begin.
It's a workout. Like it's very tingly. It's very tingly.
She just got done playing Beat Saber, got some really good footage. Now she's about to play Robo Recall. She absolutely hates this game because of all the robots jumping out and surprising her. So these are gonna be some genuine reactions.
Okay, there's no gun. Okay. I don't have a gun. I don't have a gun. Okay. I don't have a gun. I'm running away. Oh, shoot, I don't have a gun. I just am going in a circle.
So how was it? How was the Oculus Quest? I know you've played this before,
Yeah,
but how was it with the Subpac?
Definitely more immersive. It was a little bit, especially with the one with the robots. What's it called?
Robo Recall.
Robo Recall was a little bit too much for me. I'm sure you can lower it, but like when they shoot you, it's a lot more. With this only, it was good. It scared the crap out of me, but with this, it was like a little bit too much for me. It was a little too intense. So if you want that whole immersive experience of it might like shake the crap out of your body, then this would be a good way to go.
But you said it hurt your back a little bit?
Something about it, it's not heavy at all, it's super light, but it just was a little uncomfortable. It itself was uncomfortable, but like something about it, just, I don't know.
Probably the way we had it rigged out.
Maybe.
Because this is, what, my second day that I've used this thing. I literally just got this in the mail not too long ago, so I don't know too much about it when it comes to setting it all up, but I just know it works.
Yeah.
Right?
Oh yeah.
Like, it definitely creates like it takes the Oculus Quest and puts it on a different level, giving you a true virtual reality experience, right?
It does.
Links to all this stuff can be found down below. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, consider giving it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content just like this. Maybe, if you're willing to do more.